These exercises are designed to tone the body, improve stamina, and boost overall fitness. They target multiple muscle groups, including core, legs, arms, and glutes, and are ideal for beginners or those looking to get in shape at home. Squats builds leg and glute strength, improves posture. Lunges tones legs and enhances balance. Push-ups, whether knee or standard, strengthen arms, chest, and core. The plank engages your core muscles and improves stability. Glute bridges target your glutes and lower back. They are great for shaping the posterior. Mountain climbers boost your cardio and strengthen your core. Bicycle crunches. They tone your abs and obliques for a defined waist. Jumping jacks increases heart rate, improves endurance. Side leg raises shapes hips and outer thighs. Burpees, full body exercise for strength and cardio. These exercises are simple, effective, and require no equipment, making them perfect for girls starting their fitness journey. They align with your previous requests for accessible, human-friendly fitness content, like anti-aging exercises and biceps workouts.